little Pozy. Pozy's here for our 2-week board and train. She's coming to us with this, jumping. She likes to jump on people, especially when she first meets anybody new and she gets super excited. She jumps higher. She also pulls a lot on the leash. She doesn't walk very well. She kind of walks all over the place. She's very distracted and she loves to play. She's super friendly, and that's with people and with dogs. So if she sees any people or dogs on your walks, she's trying to run at them and go and play, and that's all she wants to do is play all the time. She doesn't know anything besides sit. Pozy. She doesn't know anything besides sit as far as I know. I did want to run through some of the commands really quick just to see if she did know anything else. Pozy, sit. Pozy, sit. She also likes to bite at the leash. Pozy, sit. Sit. Pozy, down. Pozy, down. So right now she's also trying to mouth at my hands. Pozy, heel. Pozy, heel. Pozy, sit. Pozy, come. Pozy, sit. So as you can tell, we've got a lot of work to do. So let's check back in how well Pozy's doing in the next 2 weeks.
communication with the trainer was excellent. She let me know every step of the way what was going on and sent me updates, which was really good because I definitely missed her while she was gone. So since I got Pozy back, I've noticed that she listens a lot more, which is key, and she really watches what I'm doing and makes sure that she's listening to what I'm saying, and she's a lot more confident for sure and not as skittish. She doesn't chase things, and she's doing really good. I would recommend Off-Leash K9